Hey everyone, it's Julian from Frameplate, and in this video I'm going to explain you what Framer is and why you may want to use it to build your website. Framer have made a lot of changes recently, so if you haven't used it for a while or it's the first time you hear about Framer, you will want to watch this video until the end. In short, Framer is a website builder that is now powered by AI, but we're going to get back to that later in the video. With Framer, you can design directly in the canvas, a bit like you would do with Figma, except that you're designing an actual website that you can publish to the internet at the end. Okay, so now we're in the app. You can download it from the Framer website. I will leave a link in the description below. And if you're coming from Figma, you'll see that it looks very similar. In the center, you've got your canvas where you can see your website. We're actually looking at a template I got from the marketplace. And then on each side, you've got a panel which gives you access to different things. So we're going to start with the panel on the left side, where you can access your pages, your layers, and your assets. And on the Pages tab, there's a first section called Design. This is something that is still pretty new. It's very much like Figma. It's a bit like a playground where you can play around with your design. You can try a few options, see what works, what doesn't work. And once you're happy with the design in this section, you can actually turn it into a page in your website. So now we're going to move to the Pages section, where you're going to have access to all your pages, Home, Works, 404, and any other pages you may create here. Then we're going to move to the Layers tab at the top. This is where you can access all your layers on all the breakpoints. So you've got desktop, tablets, and phone, and you can access everything one by one. You can also select the layers from the canvas and you will see where you are on the left-hand side. Then you've got your Assets tab, where you can find all the assets used throughout the website. It's divided in few categories. The first one is templates, components, where you can see all the components used within the website, styles, which is where you can see all your text styles and customize it as well, or your link styles, or your color styles with your color palette. You also have a category for vectors if you want to create some icons yourself, for example, and another section for code. This is very much optional because the beauty with Framer is that you can build a full website without never looking at a single line of code. Okay, now let's move to the panel on the right-hand side and let's start with the Style tab. This is where you can access all the styles of the current element that you've selected on your website. So we've selected the frame here, and we can see that we can control where it links to, the position, the size, the layout, the effects, the overlays, the cursor, the styles, everything can be customized through this panel. Now we're moving to the exciting part, the Agent tab. In July 2026, Framer have announced the integration of AI straight within the platform, so you can now build your website with AI within Framer, which means that you now have a chat box on the right-hand side, so you can basically prompt whatever you want to get the AI agent to customize your website for you. So it's super simple. You have a chat box on the right side where you can just enter your prompt, select a model from the list. They've got all the latest GPT models and the Anthropic models with Sonnet 5, Opus 5, Fable 5. We've got some more options if you want to select a specific frame on the website to tell the agent what to work on. You can also add assets if you want to attach some references that you want the agent to use. Hit send and let the AI agent customize your website. I'm going to be recording some videos about AI agents within Framer, do some tests, some experiments. So if that's something you're into, make sure you subscribe to the channel not to miss those videos in the coming weeks. You can also connect Framer to external agents like Cursor, Claude, or Codex if you already have a subscription with them. Otherwise, the free plan on Framer comes with 1,000 credits to play around, and you can buy more if you want to. If you want to give it a go, you can use the link in the description. Framer also includes a CMS. In the CMS section, you can see all your posts and then edit every single one of them through this side panel, update whatever you need to update, change the pictures, and it will automatically update the post on your website. You also have access to localization, analytics, where you can see the analytics of your website once it's been published, and all the settings of your website where you can access your domains, set up some redirects depending on which plan you have, your usage, that's handy for when you start using AI credits, and manage your plans as well. Talking about plans, I'm in the UK, so I see the prices in pounds, but I believe it's $10 for the basic plan, $30 for the pro plan, and they also have an enterprise plan. To be honest, you can do quite a lot with the free plan, which gives you access to even AI credits, and you can start playing around and publish your website on the Framer domain. But if you want to go to the next step, then you can pick one of those plans. We also need to talk about the new marketplace that Framer has launched, where you can access a lot of assets, including a huge library of templates for everything, whether you're looking for a portfolio, an agency website, or a website for your SaaS. They also have a part of the marketplace allocated to components, so that's designers creating components you can reuse in your own websites, vectors. The marketplace also includes a huge collection of plugins that are really handy to do things that are not possible natively within Framer. For example, if you wanted to set up your CMS with a Google spreadsheet, there is a plugin for that. If you want to set up your store with Shopify using Framer, there is another plugin for that. There are plenty of plugins that can help you to do very small things to really big things. If this video got you excited about Framer, but you're totally new to web design, I will leave a link to the Framer Academy in the description. This is the best way to learn the basics, and if you're planning to launch your website, you can get 25% off with the code and link in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will try to answer them, and see you in the next video.